My name's Antoinette and currently we're in Taree, which is in the beautiful Manning Valley. I graduated uni last year and currently I work as an intern pharmacist at a pharmacy in Taree. When we had our first placements coming up at university, there were people promoting rural placements. Just something about it, I wanted to see what it was like. You have the beach, 10-15 minutes away, and then you got the beautiful rolling green hills and countryside. I see cows on my way to work. I love it. And if you've had a really busy day, just going outside, breathing the fresh air, seeing the beautiful sights, it helps me calm down. When I was first coming here on placement, I was a little bit unsure, what it would look like, if the accommodation would be comfortable. But the uni made everything really easy. I've made a good group of friends who we meet every week, have dinner together. It's nice to have that recognition in a small town. I like how small it is. I like knowing the street names and not feeling lost wherever I'm going is really nice. To any student who might be considering doing a rural placement or you're just a bit unsure, I would just say go for it. You're not going to regret it and you'll probably enjoy it on the way as well. So I would say do it.